Okay, age problems usually relate to a person's age and then how old they will be in the future, how old they were in the past, and it makes comparisons like that. So for these problems, I'm not going to use a table, which means I'm going to need a let statement, right? So in this case, they're talking about Mary and Mary's son, right? And the question says, how old is each one now? So I'm going to say let, M represent Mary's age now. And I have to specify now, right? And then let S represent Mary's son's age now. Okay, so now I'm just going to read off these sentences and I'm going to write an equation. So the first sentence says Mary is 3 times as old as her son. Mary is 3 times as old as her son. So Mary is equals 3 times as old as her son. So 3 times S, right? Okay. And the second statement says in 12 years, Mary's age will be 1 year less than twice her son's age. So let's start from the left. In 12 years. So that means Mary's age in 12 years is going to be M plus 12, and her son's age in 12 years is going to be S plus 12, right? So in 12 years, Mary's age will be, so Mary's age in 12 years, so M plus 12, will be is equals in the future, right? 1 year less than twice her son's age. Twice her son's age in 12 years, right? So his age in 12 years is S plus 12. Twice that is 2 times S plus 12. And 1 year less than that means that minus 1. And there's my 2 equations that I formed just from reading the sentences left to right. So how can we solve this? Well, it kind of jumps out at me that I could use substitution for this, right? I could take the 3S and I can substitute that in for M, right, with substitution. So let's do that. I have M, which is 3S plus 12 equals, and I'm going to distribute this, right? 2S plus 24 minus 1, right? So 3S plus 12 equals 2S plus 24 minus 1 is plus 23. I could subtract 2S from both sides, and I get S plus 12 equals 23. And then I could subtract 12 from both sides, and I could get S equals 11. And now I need to substitute in and find M. Well, clearly, right here, this is the easiest one to substitute in. And I get M equals 3 times S. M equals 33. So now I can write my answer, right? Mary is 33. Her son is 11. Right? And in my head, I can check that, right? So the first sentence says Mary is 3 times as old as her son. Well, 33 is 3 times 11. And then it says in 12 years, Mary's age will be 1 less than twice her son's age. Well, her son is 11 now, so in 12 years, he'll be 23. Twice that is 46. And 1 year less than that is 45. And Mary in 12 years will be 45 because 33 plus 12 is 45. So we have successfully solved this problem.